Hello and welcome guys to another quick tutorial. Yesterday I showed you how you can earn free bitcoins on your PCs by running a free software called Cryptex, and I will leave the link in the description so you can simply download and follow the steps. Right, so today I'm back with another free tool, and it's basically a browser which you can install on your PC, on your Mac, even on your smartphones, whether it be Android or Apple, doesn't matter. So you can simply install a browser, create an account, use that and earn free money. So let's see how we do that. First of all, you need to go to this website, cryptotab.site, hit enter, and you can read some description about how it works, how it's the world's first tab with you can earn BTC with, and some information about how to use this, how you can utilize to earn more. So I'll simply go through the download phase and show you how you can do this. So if you are on PC, you can download this here. If you are on Apple device, you can download here, and if you are on Android, so these are basically two links directly going to Play Store or Apple Store, where you can download free browser. Right, since this tutorial belongs to PC, so I'm just going to install this on my machine. I'll simply download. It depends on your downloading speed. Right, it installed quickly, and I'm just going to run it. I'll click double click, yes, I'll simply agree, and it's installing the browser for me. It's gonna take a while, maybe a minute or two. The installation has been successfully completed. Okay, then I'll hit close, and I have the overview of my browser. Right, it looks similar to our traditional browsers, and let's complete the quick setup. Welcome, okay, hit next. Grow your mining network up to 10 levels, okay, by inviting just a few people. Right, so they also give us affiliate program. We go next. Long-term income. The more active users of the browsers you have in your mining network, the higher is your income. This is what they are saying. Make CryptoTab your default web browser. I don't want that because I use another browser. I'll simply skip this setup. Sign in to your CryptoTab browser using your Google account. Okay, so it will protect your CryptoTab balance and your mining network data. And I will simply sign in. I need to type in my details, my Gmail address, and my password. Email verification. Okay, I will receive an email to verify, yes, it's me. Next. You just have to wait for email to arrive. Okay, confirm your email address. Yes sir, and click confirm email. Email confirmed successfully. Okay, now we can configure how to earn free money by using our machine's resources. Quick tutorial. Okay, here is your current BTC balance. Okay, so this will be my balance, and it updates every 10 minutes. Next tip, mining speed. Okay, so I can choose my mining speed to dedicate how much resources I want to allocate. Next step, invite new user. Okay, this is my referral link. If someone signs up using this link, I will earn a share of his earning. Next step, login. Next step, okay, and mining network. So here I will see how many people register using MyLink. Okay, then currently the status is off. I will enable it by using some resources. Turn on mining. Disclaimer says, by starting the mining process, you may face a possible battery life shortage on your device or an increase in your energy bill. Confirm. Okay. So right after it started, I can sense my computer, my lap. Currently I'm on a laptop, so my laptop is heating up and fan is ticking with more speed. And it's starting mining for me. Okay, so this is the status with this hash rate. My browser is mining for me. And let's say you reached a level where you can withdraw. I'll show you how you can do this. But first, multiply your mining speed up to 15 times with Cloud Boost. Let's see what this is. Increase your mining speed with Cloud Boost feature allows you to multiply your income using the same hardware to ensure efficient work. Cloud Boost utilizes the power of CryptoTab cloud services. Right, so they will basically set up some hardware in their area, which I can use as a cloud, and it will be up to 15 times stronger than my current machine. So if I activate, yes, accept. Right, so these are their monthly prices. If I want to double the speed of my hardware, I can choose this X5, X10, X15. So let's see how much is it in USD. If I'm interested in X15, I want my earning 15 times more than my current hardware. I will get the rate. I will copy and go to BTC to USD conversion. Simply paste it here. Okay, so it's around $24 a month if I want 15 times more resources. If I want 10 times, it should be, let's say, half the price of this current. Right, so around $12. So if you want, you can use this. Currently I don't want that. I'll simply show you how you can withdraw your balance once you're reached to a level. First of all, I'm turning mining off, and then I will click these three icons, three lines, withdraw BTC. You do not have enough BTC. Okay, so once I will have to enter a wallet address, and I will simply withdraw money in that. If you don't have one, you can go to coinbase.com, register, and they will give you a BTC Bitcoin wallet address. Simply copy and paste it here. Once you have some balance, you can use it to withdraw money, and then of course wherever you want to use. Okay, so that was the quick tutorial to earn Bitcoin free on your smartphones or your laptop, machine, desktop, and I'll see you next. Thank you so much. Bye bye.